big story tonight continues to be the political crisis in Tamil Nadu. Just a few minutes ago, Sasikala has staked claim to form the government. She has submitted a list of MLAs, more than 130 of them, we believe, to the governor Vidyasagar Rao, and has formally staked claim. She is still believed to be inside Raj Bhavan, where the meeting with the governor began at 7:30 this evening. It's been a day once again of high drama in the state. Mr. O. Paneerselvam, the outgoing chief minister, met the governor earlier as well. All he came out and said after that is that I assure you that good things will happen and that truth will prevail and justice will be done. What exactly did he tell the governor? Did he get any assurances? We're going to try and get to the bottom of that. These pictures of Sasikala just over an hour ago, before she headed to the Raj Bhavan, she first went to Jayalalitha's memorial, and those papers in her hand is the list of signatures, we believe, of the 130 MLAs who are backing her, 130 of 135 who are backing her, a list that she presented at Jayalalitha's memorial before moving on to Raj Bhavan, where we believe she is probably still there. Srinivasan Jain joining us now with the very latest on that developing story. Uma Sudhir also tracking the developments for us at the governor's house. Uma, she's still in there. What's the latest from Raj Bhavan?
If I were to compare Paneerselvam's meeting and Sasikala's meeting, Paneerselvam's meeting took just 15 minutes. Now it's about half hour since Sasikala has gone inside and not out yet. Yes, as you mentioned, the AIADMK official handle itself has tweeted what we all know, that she has taken a claim to form the government. She has presented her list of 130 odd MLAs, that 134 MLAs who have in fact expressed support to her becoming the leader of the legislature party, and she would like to be sworn in as chief minister as early as possible. Huge numbers of police present outside the Raj Bhavan. Both Paneerselvam and Sasikala in fact came in with a huge convoy of cars, at least 15 cars in fact. Sasikala's supporters, about 100 of them, also outside raising slogans in support of her, but both of them only being given an opportunity to go and meet the governor with about 10 people. So Sasikala doesn't get an opportunity to parade her MLAs or the strength of her MLAs before the governor. Whether the governor will subsequently choose to meet each of these people individually to ascertain for himself which way they stand, that is not yet clear. But all that we know is that he has told Mr. Paneerselvam that legal options will be explored.
They were just getting live pictures from the other camera there. She's just leaving the Raj Bhavan now, and as Uma was pointing out there, Sasikala leaving Raj Bhavan, she was in there for about 30 minutes.